High school footballer struck by lightning calls for probe into death of police criminal records employee in light of air quality concerns, and Jamaicans could be asked to vote on whether to repeal the Buggery law soon. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Milton Walker has our preview. Milton?
Yes, Janella, the Jamaica Stock Exchange launches a new index. We'll tell you more in the business day.
Okay, thanks Milton. And from Milton with business, we go to Spencer with sports. Spencer, what's coming up?
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, Elaine Thompson's campaign at the ongoing World Championships in Doha has been cut short due to injury. We'll give you the details later in Primetime Sports.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, would you participate in a referendum to repeal the Buggery law? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.